Hello, dear kids. So, today we are meeting again here in your English class, and today I'm going to teach you lesson 3rd of your MCB book. And the name of this lesson is A Ghost Outwitted. Outwitted meaning to beat somebody by doing something clever. किसी को धोखे से हरा देना. And ghost, we all know that the spirit of someone who's dead. Okay, so this story is a very small part of a very big novel. This story is adapted from the Canterville Ghost. The Canterville Ghost is a ghost novel which is written by Oscar Wilde. And after some time, one director of Hollywood, Sidney McCartney, directed one movie also on the basis of this novel. The overall story of this novel is about a ghost, about one family, that what type of consequences happened in between these two parties. So here in this story we are going to learn something about a ghost and about a family. In this story there is a scene where the story is starting from a warning, and the warning to an American family named by Otis family. Otis जैसे हम लोगों के सरनेम होते हैं ना, अग्रवाल या फिर शर्मा, बहुत सारे, वैसे ही इट्स एन अमेरिकन फैमिली, Otis family. Okay, so someone warned Mr. Otis that please don't come in this mansion because a ghost is here in this mansion. But Mr. Otis ignores all these types of warnings and he moves into this mansion with his family. So उसके बाद जो भी consequences होते हैं वो सब इस story में आपको बताए जाएंगे. Okay, as you can see that there are some colorful pictures of some cover pages of the famous books. As you can see, the very first book is Robin Hood, the second is Alexander the Great, Arabian Nights, Sachin Tendulkar, How to Plan a Trip, and 4 more are here. So I will give you one worksheet related to this कि इसमें क्या करना है आपको. Now we will start our lesson. Okay, so the ghost was very weak and tired. Here the writer is talking about the ghost which is there in the mansion. Okay, so the ghost was very weak and tired. बहुत ज़्यादा कमज़ोर और थका हुआ है. The terrible excitement of the last 4 weeks was beginning to have its effect. All those things which were happening there from last 4 weeks, now the terrible excitement, terrible means something which is very unpleasant, very bad. Excitement of last 4 weeks was beginning to have its effect. अब उसके effects बाहर आने वाले हैं. Okay, तो जो भी हुआ उससे होने वाले जो adverse effect है वो सब बाहर आने वाले हैं. His nerves were completely shattered. Shattered meaning very shocked and upset. And he started at the slightest noise. Slightest मतलब बहुत हल्का, very very small. So his nerves, here we are talking about the ghost, was completely shattered. उसकी जो nerves हैं वो बिल्कुल ही शॉक्ड और अपसेट है एंड वो बहुत हल्के हल्के से स्टार्ट करता है. ही हैड बीन ट्रिक्ड मीन्स डिसऑनेस्ट मैथड. जब हम किसी को धोखे से कुछ करते हैं. फॉइल्ड मीन्स फ्रस्ट्रेट, वेरी अपसेट, वेरी डिस्टर्ब्ड. आउटस्मार्टेड, टू गिव एडवांटेज ओवर समबडी. ओके, टू गेन एडवांटेज ओवर समबडी. जब किसी को धोखे से हरा दिया जाता है देन वी यूज दिस वर्ड आउटस्मार्टेड. सो ही हैड बीन ट्रिक्ड, फॉइल्ड एंड आउटस्मार्टेड. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेट है और उसको धोखे से हराया गया है. He, a ghost, had been terrorized by a ghost. Now the real story started, that he, a ghost, had been terrorized by a ghost. यहाँ पर एक घोस्ट दूसरे घोस्ट से डरा हुआ है. A phantom is also a spirit of a dead person which can be seen by someone who's alive. So a bald means a person who's having no ears on hand, and round faced monster means a very big size of person that let out hideous laughter. Hideous means very ugly, very bad. एक बहुत बड़ा सा मॉन्स्टर जो बाल्ड है, देन लेट आउट विद हाइडियस लाफ्टर, वो बहुत ज़्यादा भयानक लाफ्टर के साथ बाहर आता है. फ्रॉम इट्स आइज स्ट्रीम्ड रेज ऑफ स्कारलेट लाइट, उसकी आँखों में से बहुत तेज़ रोशनी निकल रही है. द माउथ वॉज अ वाइल्ड वेल ऑफ फायर, और मुंह जो है वो बहुत बड़ा आँख के कुएं जैसा दिखाई दे रहा है. मीन्स इट सीम्स लाइक वेरी ऑरेंजिश, वेरी फायरी, and a hideous garment covered it from head to foot, and the ghost is covered with very ugly garment from its head to foot. So this is the very first portion of this lesson. After finishing this lesson, I'm going to give you one worksheet. Please have a look of this worksheet in the same video. Okay, this is the worksheet. As you can see, write heading in front of each book. You may take help from what the headings given in the box. Here is one white box and some books are here. So what you need to do, you will write the heading in front of each book, that what type of book it is. Okay, remaining portion of the lesson I will conclude in the next video. Till then, bye bye.